Hello, my name is Samuel Scales. Today we're going to be going over the week 7 video essay questions. You asked us to draw the life cycle of Plasmodium and then describe certain features in there like the stages in the definitive host, the disease it causes, stages in the intermediate host, signs and symptoms of the disease, and how the parasite causes the signs and symptoms. All right, so let me get you turned around and then we'll go through that. So first up here, this is my drawing of the life cycle here. In stage 1, you have the male and female gametocytes. So in there, they unite and they become sporozytes. Oh my God, excuse me, my mouth's not working today. Once they have formed and united together within that stomach of the mosquito, they'll then transfer down into the salivary glands of the mosquito. From there, they will then enter stage 3, where the mosquito bites a non-infected human, and then the sporozytes will migrate through the bloodstream. So that's everything that's happening within the I keep wanting to say primary host, but it is actually the definite host. So then you have stage 4, and that's where the sporozytes undergo, I don't know what I wrote there. What is that? Not going to try to botch that. But basically they mature in the liver cells, and then they create merozytes. And that's that picture right there of that happening. And then we go on to stage 5, where those merozytes, they basically attach themselves to red blood cells and go into what's called ring stage. And as they mature and grow, they create more of those merozytes. They basically are like taking over the red blood cell, and then it causes it to rupture. So that's the final stage here, where the merozytes are released when the blood cell ruptures. And then some of those merozotes become male and female gametocytes. And then that whole process starts over again, where a mosquito will bite an infected human. And we go through that whole life cycle process all over again. So everything that happens up here is what happens in its definite host, and then everything that happens right at the bottom is what's happened to the intermediate host. So here are the signs and symptoms. It can be fever, chill, discomfort, headache, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, abdominal pain, muscle and joint pain, fatigue, rapid breathing, rapid heart rate, and coughing. So all of these symptoms are a result of the asexual phase within the human body. So what's going on there is when those merozotes are taking over the red blood cells and causing them to rupture, there's a release of hemozoin and other toxic factors, such as one of them I wrote down here, glucose phosphate isomerase, and other soluble factors which act to produce those fevers and rigors and all sorts of other pathophysiological symptoms. So basically it's releasing not only just those gametocytes, but also other forms of toxins and stuff like that within the body, which our body then reacts to and tries to fight, and that's what's giving us our symptoms. So anyways, that is week 7's video essay questions. Thank you. Have a good one.